Everyone in southern Louisiana, from the shrimp fishermen in Venice
Oh, the pretty shrimp.
to the backroads bait casters of Cocodrie, is wondering the same thing. What could the oil spill here mean?
I just can't imagine not being able to fish or eat shrimp or oysters.
Each of those species depend on the marshlands that fan out across the Mississippi Delta here.
This is an incredibly productive ecosystem. It's one of the most productive ecosystems in the country. It's also one of the most endangered ecosystems in the country.
Biologist Alexander Coker studies these wetlands, which look healthy but are actually sinking at the rate of a football field an hour.
We are losing a massive amount of land in South Louisiana. Roughly 80 to 90% of all of the wetland loss that occurs in the United States occurs here in Louisiana. When oil strikes this system, it's going to be striking a system that is already stressed and is already under threat.
So far, no oil has reached these marshes in Terrebonne Bay. But if enough of it does, it could spell disaster for the grasses that literally hold these islands together.
The oil can coat everything down here, right? It can coat the marsh plants, it can coat the sediment, it could kill the marsh plants, it could kill all of the worms and the like that are living here, it could kill the crabs that don't have anywhere to go.
Already damaged by too much salt water from canals and erosion, the oil could be the last straw.
And as the habitat diversity drops, it becomes a much less resilient coast and less able to deal with environmental insults.
Environmental insults, like a hurricane, whose damage a healthy marshland can help lessen.
You know, this is a coast where people live and work, and that brings in, that's jobs and that's livelihoods. On the other hand, you know, it also has a potential environmental impacts, as we are seeing.